Hello, my name is Olshus, and today I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google account if your device, for example, your device was locked. So first you will have to do is to download SIDESYNC. This is an application which can be downloaded directly from the Samsung website, but anyway, you can just write in the Google, and then you just head into SIDESYNC, and you will see the possibility to download for PC, either for Mac. Well, so you either on your system you just choose which one is to download. Once it's installed, so you will have to open it, and you will see this task, this table window, and now let's check how to make everything work on the device. So just go in. What you will have to do, you will have to just type in the password. After you enter the password or the Wi-Fi, you just click next, and you get further. You can just click next. So after brief information, you will see that just now click that the device was reset. To continue sign in with the Google account was previously synced with this device. So in this case, if you don't know the account information or you forget something, so in this case you will have to use the help with the SIDESYNC. So what we're gonna do next is we have to plug in the cable. Okay, now it's plugged in, and what next we have to do is we have to get into Google Chrome, X and 5. Then what you have to do is just go. Now once you just entered successfully this website, so we'll just have to download this application. You just click OK. Now it's downloading. Okay, and then once successfully you downloaded this application, so you will have to get into Galaxy applications. Then you will have to click on search, and then you will have to download S file manager or explorer. So you just click download. What next? You will have to put in your Samsung account information. So you just sign in, and here I will just put all my information. Now you will have to just accept and download this application, and what you do next, you just wait. Okay, once this application is installed, you just have to open it. Okay. So we have to open the application that we downloaded, which is called ComSika, and here we cancel. And then for security issues, we have to tick unknown sources to be able to install this kind of application, which requires some additional security. And once the application is installed, and then we will have to input keyword to filter. So in this case, we just have to input the Google account. Well, in this part, we just click Google Account Manager, and then we are searching for the file which is called Google. There will be two very similar files. One of them is Google Account Manager, add a login, and also Google Account Manager login activity. So we'll have to head into login. Okay, so you will have to click on here, try, and then just click browse sign in, click OK. Okay, now so when you will be able to get in, and you will have to enter your new credentials, and so I will enter my Google account, which I know. Okay, after you enter all the credentials, you will have the only option to do just restore. So don't do anything, just restore the device. Okay, and after a few minutes you will be able to see that this device doesn't locked anymore, and it's not locked anymore, so you will be able to use that without any problem. So let's take a very fast look. Okay, now we just head in. Well, it's already, this information is inside the device. Okay, checking connection. Checking software update, and you can see clearly that the account has been added. Your first account is ready for use. You can add and remove accounts later in settings. So this is how you bypass Google account on Samsung Galaxy phones. And in this case, this is Samsung A3. So you just click next and just next, skip, and this is how we get into restoring information. Okay, now just head in. Okay. Okay. Just later. Next. And finish. And you can see that we already have a new this is nice, really nice. It's just finished. So this is how you bypass Google account. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Yeah, take care. So as you can see, I also will show you some very interesting thing, which is, locking the Android device. So let's head into Android Manager. And with this information, you will be able to control your device remotely. And you have these nice features where you can just remove device, add device, or some other things. So this is the device that we just erased, resetted, and then installed all the important information. So in this, even wow, it already found this information. So you can see that my device is currently here. So it shows very exact location, and what you can do with here is just ring the device, and of course which we can do right now, and we'll do that for sure. So just take a look how this will work. So we would just ring, then for 5 minutes. Wow, that's quite long. Okay. That's really ringed. Even though you can just disable the volume, it still will ring. So let's try it again. Okay, just ring. Mind that this is muted phone. Wow, it's really working. Okay. Also, you also can do here, what you can do is lock the device. And next thing, which is very important, is erase. But as you can see in this video before, I just showed and proved that you can make everything work even though you lock device. So, but this video is not in order to use that for stolen things. This is only for only case when you forget the password or login information. So that's the most important thing. Also, let's this device, this application, it's really nice. It also can be you can just directly find it also on the browser on the mobile, so there is no need, like, you can also just type in the Android manager and now you can just click the devices you want to choose. So that's very, also you can see that in browser you can use it very fluently. So you can use all these three very important features, which is just ring and lock the phone and just swipe, reset the phone. So okay, so also we can just click on this here, just locate device, and now you will be able to see where the device is, but I think that it will not find that, because, well, you need to make sure that the device has at least Wi-Fi or mobile data, also GPS enabled, so yeah, so that you will be able to track it. But in this case you can see that it's still searching for device. So thank you for watching once again, and I hope you liked the video, it was useful, and just stay tuned and subscribe. Do not forget to like this video, and hope you enjoyed, and take care.